Hey guys, today we got a Brinks lock, number 164. Just picked this up recently. I thought it was kind of cool looking, very affordable. It's a dead core style, no springs, non-guttable. You may be able to drill out this hole. Looks like it may be a pin to retain this core. Not sure. There's a key bitting for this guy. We're just going to use a small wiper style generic bottom of the keyway tension. And I got a small hook, Sparrows hook, and we're gonna go in, give it medium to heavy tension, see if we could find anything that's binding. 2, nothing. 3 is binding, good. 4 and 5, and there we go. That's all she wrote. Till next time, guys. Thanks for watching, as always.